Okay guys, thank you for coming. Right. So for our uh, tutorial for our tonight tutorial is we will do some asynchronous tasks using Celery and Redis. Okay, so we will be using Flask framework. Okay, as our microservice. Okay, so make sure you install Python 3. Okay, and don't forget to prepare your IDE, which is like me using Visual Studio Code. Okay, just get prepared. So make sure you create new folder here. So as a new workspace. So you can name it as web uh, asynchronous. See how to spell synchronous. Synchronous task. Okay. Okay, then we go to Visual Studio, then open. We go back to we go to this directory. Okay. Maybe next time we will learn about Azure, the pronounce how to the pronunciation. Okay. So make sure you install Flask. Okay. So you can install Flask. Okay, we can test and we have to install first. Okay. Okay, so I'm using Python 3, so pip3 pip3 install Flask. Okay. Right, so Celery, not this Celery, Celery Python. Okay. So what we going to do tonight is we will do web scraping. Okay. So we will run as a background. Okay. Once we trigger the API, so we will build a simple microservice using Flask. Then once trigger, and then the task will be assigned to Celery. Then Celery will start scraping. Okay. Alright. So Celery get started. I think start. So you can use any message broker like RabbitMQ, Redis, but if me, I'm rather using Redis because it's more lighter rather than RabbitMQ. Okay, so after that you need to install Celery as Redis. Okay, so it's Celery first. Okay, you can install using pip install 3. Pip 3 install Celery. Okay. Okay, so Redis So Redis is your message broker. Okay. So install Redis. Okay, so like me, I'm using homebrew. Okay, so we can run this command brew install Redis. Okay, this one. Okay, so depends. It's up to you. How you want to how you want to install your message broker. Okay, then okay, because I already have Redis, let's try to run Redis. Okay, so you can see the Redis. Go back to Redis. So we can see the a command. Okay. So if not mistaken, you need to run Redis server. Okay, to launch your Redis. Right. So you need later I will show you how to start the Redis. Okay. Right. So you can run the Redis server. Redis CLI. Oh, sorry, not Redis CLI. Actually, uh, is Redis CLI if you want to talk with the Redis. So you need to run Redis server. Okay. So this is your Redis server. Okay, this is your later we will set okay the IP the local IP for Redis server. Okay, first thing first we try to use Flask framework. Okay, so Flask framework. So Flask here, right? So I think you can close all of this. You can test. I'm not sure if you can test it here. So I think minimal application. Not sure this one. Okay, so we can try this one. Okay, you can import. Okay, then sign app. Then you can set the route here. Okay, so we can copy this. Okay, then create new file. So name it as app.py. Okay, then paste it here. Okay, save. Okay, once done, we need to run. Okay, so this is your ready server, so no need to touch this one. Okay, we need to create open new window. Okay, so go to this directory, which is asynchronous task. Okay, desktop. Okay, so go to change directory. Okay, so you can see there for app.py, right? Okay, we can run python.py. Sorry, python 3 app.py. Sorry, Flask app.py. So it's not Flask Flask run app.py. Okay, I not remember the command. I think flask run. Sorry, flask run. Okay, so I can copy this link. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, you can see the output hello world. Right, just a simple mini web. Right. Okay, I think that's all for this one. Okay. So we need to implement an API. Okay. So what are we going to do right now is we need to request to the server and respond to the output. We just try make it fast for this tutorial. Right. So for this one, so we need to import JSONify. Okay, JSONify. Okay, we add another JSONify. Okay. Okay, so then we need to create a simple response message. Response message, which is like this message. Okay. Message. Here. Okay, so response. Just message. Response. Okay, save. We will end this one. Run again. Okay, refresh. See, it's already in JSON format. Okay, so you need to install also together with this one Postman. Okay, so we want to test the API using Postman here. So I already installed, so no need to install again. So this is my Postman. Okay, you can copy this one. Okay, then okay, no. So this is a get method, right? So send. See, this is the response. So request, just empty request. Right? So easy, right? Okay, so I think we have done for Flask setup. Okay. All right. So what's next? So next we will implement Celery and Redis. Okay. So we need to import. Okay. So from Celery import Celery. Okay. Okay. Then we need to set up the Celery broker URL. Okay, we together with Celery resolve backend. Okay, so how to do that? So can do like this. So app config Celery broker URL. can see your Redis here, right? So using port 6379. Okay, so start Redis, then localhost and port 6379 slash 0y slash 0. So it's must set up like that. Okay, so okay, then Celery result. Okay, this one I think nothing is with the same with this. Okay, right. Okay, take your time. Okay, then we need to define Celery. So celery, celery app dot name, broker app dot config. Okay, so we can copy this one. And celery config update app dot config. Okay. Okay, I think that's all for the setting. Okay. Right. Okay, then we need to add another one thing. So we need to add a new function. Okay, let's say def the function name, right? The function and scrap. Okay, so this one we just show the output lah. Okay, close this one. Okay, so you can okay, let me think this one. Okay, just print done. Okay, like this. Okay, so how okay, so we already create a scrap function. Okay, but we need to declare as a celery task celery dot task. Okay, okay, so how to call the celery task inside this hello world. Okay, we call the subscribe dot delay. Okay, delay, then like that, just like that. Okay, right, so this is your Redis server. Okay, this is your Python. So we end where this is for Flask. So we end the service. Okay, we create new one. So this one your Redis server, right? So let it be. So we open this window for Celery. Okay, this one for this. Okay, so we need to sorry, cd desktop here, so cd we go to this folder lah. Okay. Right. Okay, so next we need to run the celery command lah. So I think okay, I think the documentation already I'm not sure if you guys can understand, right? So but try to explain. Okay. Ah, so we can make it smaller. Right. Okay, then we need to run the we need to run celery worker. Okay, so celery worker app. So app dot celery. Okay, then enter. Okay. Okay, I think we need to add the parameter kan. Celery worker in app.celery. Okay, enter. Right, so import. Okay, I think this one celery. Okay, this one need to capital letter celery. Okay, celery. Okay, go back to the terminal. Okay, clear. See. So this is your how celery worker looks like. So this is your machine, and then the little bit explanation about your machine. Okay. So your app okay, your red message broker, then the concurrency is 4. So depends on your CPU core. Right? So it's already monitor. So but this one nothing happened yet. Okay. So Flask run. Okay, so your microservice already run. So I try to trigger this one. Okay, go to Postman here. Okay, make it smaller. Okay, you see the message here, right? Okay, I think not like this. Like this. Okay. Okay. So if you notice, once I click, then they will trigger. Okay. I click send. See? Done. So I trigger the hello function, and then the scrap function will be triggered later. Okay. But this one not completed yet. So we need to implement the scraper inside Celery. Okay. Inside this microservice. So you can go to my to my GitHub profile. Okay, go to automation. So this is the Jupyter app, right? Okay. So we need to copy and paste this code, all of this. Okay. So we want to scrape this website, troll and tot, troll and tot. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, before this, be using request, right? Not selenium. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We try this first. But okay, they want later. Okay. So I want to show you how to make celery bit. Okay, celery bit. Right. So okay. Okay. We import this one because we want to create. Let's say we scrape every 1 minute. Okay, every 30 seconds. Every 30 seconds we scrape, and then another 30 seconds we scrape. So continuously, yeah. Okay, until we end the salary worker. So we stop. Okay, so random, import random. Then under here you can add dot add secret key random dot get random bits. So 128. Okay, so it's your app dot secret key. Okay, later on we will generate unique file name using app dot secret key. Okay. But we try to I think we can generate this one. I think we can keep generating. Okay, we can keep generating. Okay, I'm not sure secret keys. Hmm. Let me think. Okay, I think that's one lah. So we can try make it like this. So print done, right? So we create random random. So between what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 9, 9. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Okay. So we can implement the schedulers, right? So scheduler, we will create a bit. Okay, bit scheduler. So it's kind of periodic task, right? Okay, I think they have some setup here, so you can try this one. I think you can try this one. Okay. So here, so you can set a scheduler there, right? Okay. So which line? So we can add here. Okay, but before that, you need to import first. So from celery schedules schedules import contact. Like cron job. Okay. Then you need to add celery with scheduler. So can put it some parameter here. Time scheduler. Time scheduler. And task app dot script schedule con. Okay, this one contact, right? So how to I think no need to use contact. It's better we just set a timing. Okay, timer here. So like 1 second. Not 1 second is quite fast. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. Okay, so 30 seconds. Then we need to add up. So for I did this update. Okay, so we need to add some details here. Okay, so I think we can select this. So without, okay, we can set up a little bit. So okay, we can use this one. Right. So broker URL. So broker URL. Okay, I think this one I already created before. Okay, bit schedule. So bit schedule. Celery schedule. Think we can try. Okay, I'm not sure it's working or not. Just try our luck. Okay. So this time I no need to trigger VIPIM because we have bit scheduler here. So I end, I start, okay, end this one, shut down. Okay, then we need to run again, but this time we need to add another um, parameter which is bit. Okay, bit. Okay, bit. Okay, so enter. Okay. Okay, sorry, I think I need to end because 30 seconds quite long. Maybe one second. Okay. See? See? Every 1 second you will give a latest output. Okay, okay, I think it's done. Okay, enough. It's enough. Okay. Right, so this one, okay, we get back to 30 seconds, right? So 30 seconds. So we try to, okay, we can disable this one. We have two ways. either we can trigger via API or we trigger using bit scheduler. Okay, so first phase we try trigger using API. Okay, so when you go to this page, which is this URL, okay, then copy all of this and paste it here. Okay, no need to type because we don't have much time for this tutorial. We need to limit only 1 hour. Okay, so write, okay, write okay, this one I think no need, this one this one I need. Okay, so every time you want to scrap, you need to reset the array. Okay, we need to initialize the array, empty array. Okay, so this one scraping, right? Okay, we can copy. Okay, let me check. Because this is just purpose of the tutorial. We just scrap only one page. Okay, so copy from header until here. Copy and paste. Okay. Okay, so web page, right? So we can copy here. So this is the web page. So I think no need this one. Just request get the whole URL. Okay, paste it here. Boom. Okay. So once done this one, okay. So this one random, right? Okay, copy this one. Okay, so if you want to understand more about this web scraping, you need to refer to my previous tutorial. Okay. And paste it here. Okay, so make it proper. Okay, this one you need to set like this. Okay. Okay, so you can copy print data. You want to see the data, right? Then you can start print this one. You want to see the length. Okay, and then write into CSV file. Copy this and paste. Okay. So data dot to CSV, right? So print this one. You can copy this. Okay, cut. Okay, remove. Then data.csv, we can write like this. Okay. So we generate random file name. Okay, we try to trigger using API. Okay, so I think we need to refresh this. Okay, run. Okay, so this one, remember I said for bit scheduler later we will use. So just using for API. Okay, we trigger using API. Okay, we click send. Okay, so hello world. See, okay, error. See, error described. But if you notice inside the this one, right? Okay, there is no CSV file because transporter operand. So we need to fix this one first. Okay, integer. Okay, so we need to set string. Okay, okay. So you can end, run again, run again. Okay, so notice empty, right? And there are no CSV files here. Okay, we watch it closely. Okay, send. See, new file generated. Okay, so we need to wait until 30 seconds, right? Okay, so I think they went quite long, so we end this one first. So go back to Visual Studio Code. Okay, we try to reduce the number, so 30 seconds until to 10 seconds. Okay, so go here. Okay, run. This one also run. Okay, then trigger. See, so new file generated. Oh, sorry. This one's for scheduler, right? So sorry. For scheduler, they want for scheduler. I'm sorry. So this one for using API, right? So let's say I want to trigger one more time, right? Send. See? If I click send again, send. See, magic happens. Right? Easy, right? Okay, so how if we try to use bit scheduler? How? The question is how. Okay. So we go back to Visual Studio Code here. Okay. So this 10 seconds, right? Okay. So we're not using what we call the API. Okay. So you just add the new parameter. Okay. So you can end. And the process. Then you need to add new parameter bit. Okay. Then standby. So I try to remove all of this. Okay. Enter. See, every 10 seconds, we watch it closely. Okay, good. Alright, first 10 seconds. See? Okay, so far so good. So you see how it works, right? So every 10 seconds will be generate new file. So until you stop the Celery or the memory over what we call over memory, then the worker will stop. Okay, so you can keep seeing the new file will be generated. Okay. So easy, right? So if you guys got any questions, you can ask. Right? So how to implement the okay, I think we just keep generating the file. So we can try open this one. Try open. so this is the, can see the value that we already scrapped from the website. See, so this is a proof that these things is working. Okay, right. Okay. If you want using with, if you want to use RabbitMQ also can. It's your message broker. Redis can or RabbitMQ also can. No issue at all. So how this one every 10 seconds. So, but how you can start trigger at a specific frame time, a specific, yeah, a specific time that, let's say, this server located at US, right? So you want to trigger during midnight. So how to do that? So they have a way to define this kind of things. So what you need to do is, I suggest you need to refer on the documentation. So you need to look at it, how to set up the time zone. Okay. So I think this one I can show you, but I don't think it can be run because we follow based on time zone, right? Mm. So if you guys have any question, you can ask before. I think there's nothing much to show you about the synchronous task. Right. See, keep generating. Okay. So you guys don't have any questions. So if no, I will end the session. So you can go to the Celery here. So this is the Celery. There are a lot of things. Okay. Right. So this is how you set the RabbitMQ. Okay. So there are a lot of like this. So this is the futures. So you can set specific date time the scheduling. Okay, it depends on your server time zone right? So where you locate your script, so you can monitor, right? Okay, I think you guys can refer to this documentation Okay. So we'll end this session another 1 minute. So if there is if there are no questions, so I will end. Okay. So nothing much. So we can try Okay. This one. See, keep generating. Okay. So if no questions, so thank you guys for coming this uh, tutorial. So I will continue next time. So I will let you know what kind of tutorial uh, for the next session, right? Okay, so thank you guys. Bye bye.